Today we learn 8th standard GK. Page number 33. Page number 33. I will take. Name them. So some of this pictures are here. Just you find out these animals. So first one, called as banded anteater, a marsupial that eats termites. So first one answer is numpet. First one answer is numpet. So numpet, it is a insectivorous marsupials. Do you know this marsupials? Marsupials அப்படிங்கிறது கங்காரு மாதிரி எதெல்லாம் பை வச்சுருக்கோம் இல்லையா, அதோட உடம்புலையே என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கோம், பை இருக்கும். மார்சுபியல்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது வயிற்று பையுடைய ஒரு பாலூட்டியை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், மார்சுபியல்ஸ். ஆல் எக்ஸ்டென்ட் மார்சுபியல்ஸ் ஆர் எண்டமிக் டு ஆஸ்திரேலியா அண்ட் த அமெரிக்கா. கங்காரு, கோலாஸ், பாம்பர்ட்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா பை இருக்கும் இதுக்கெல்லாம். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இட் இஸ் நம்பர். செகண்ட் ஒன் டொமஸ்டிக் அரேபியன் ஹம்ப்டு கேமல். டொமஸ்டிக் அரேபியன் ஹம்ப்டு கேமல். ஹம்ப்டு கேமல் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். செகண்ட் ஒன் ஆன்சர் இஸ் ட்ரோம்டெரி. ட்ரோம்டெரி. Second one answer dromedary. So a dromedary is a large even toed and prevalent of the genus camels. Most notable in this Sahara Desert. They have also been introduced to arid regions of Central Australia. So you have to use in this that milk and milk products and dairy products. So this is that animal production. It is a bacterial camel. So third one, a kind of crustacean found in the aster cells. Peagrap. So peagrap, it is a patani land அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. The peagrap is a Pinthoras pisum. It's a small crop in the family Pinnotheridaceae that lives as a parasite in asters, clams, mussels, and their species of bivalves. The range in size from the peagrap of few millimeters wide to this Japanese spider crab with a long span of up to 4 meters. Fourth one is a rare species of porpoise also known as Gulf porpoise. Porpoise அப்படிங்கிறது it is a type of sea beaver. So vacu is a sign number of porpoise family. Vacuiters are the most endangered of the world's marine mammals, less than 20 vacuids. So see that this is the vacuids. Fourth one, vacuids. Less than 20 vacuids remain in the wild and endangered illegal counters in the driving the species toward the extinction. Next, fifth one, a large antelope of Sahara Desert, Adex. Adex. It is also known as a white antelope or screwhorn antelope. So it is an antelope native of the Sahara Desert. Desert life include the conserving water and by excreting trifecus, concentrated urine. There is an ability to tolerate rise of daytime body temperature by as much as 11 degree Fahrenheit before restarting to nasal panting to cool down. The adex's most striking feature is its long hawk-u horns. You see that adex, fifth one. This is the adex. So next one is a hazovary. A brightly colored flightless bird with a helmet like crest on its head. This is the chrysovary. Sixth one answer. Chrysovary. See that. So it live in tropical forests and wetlands. Azovaries are frigos that feed on fruits of several hundred rainforest plants. Cassowaries have three-toed feet with sharp claws. The claw is particularly fierce. Some scenes cassowaries sometimes kick humans and other animals with their powerful legs. The legs வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சிரும் தூக்கிட்டு போயிடும். So it is a dangerous because of its size and strength. So last one, a bear with fur ranging from cream to silver, almost it is a bag. So this is a grizzly bear. The last one is a grizzly bear. Grizzly bears of the northern Rocky Mountains, Northern American brown bear or simply grizzly is a population of subspecies of the brown bear incubating North America. So first one it is that Numpet. Second one Dromedary. Third one Peacock. Fourth one Bagita. Fifth one Addax. Sixth one Cassowary. So next one it is believe or not. Believe it or not. So first one, some of these unscrambled words are here. Just to find out this animal. So the weight of liver in this organism makes up about 25% of this total body weight. So அதோட லிவரும் பாடி வெயிட்டும் 25% வந்து ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. சார்கார். ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் சார்க். Shark are group of fish characters. So shark are found from எங்கே இருக்கும் shallow to deep sea environments in coastal marine and oceanic environment the world over. Some species incubate shallow coastal regions while others live in deep waters on the ocean floor and in the open oceans. So the female of the second one, the female of this animal 3 to 5 times bigger than the average male. Anaconda. So it is a distribution of the Python and programming language is a scientific compact that aims to simplify this package management and deployment. So because it is a dangerous one, anaconda. The milk of these animals does not ferment into curd. எந்த அனிமல்ஸோட மில்கை வந்து எதா மாற்ற முடியாது, மில்காக கர்டாக மாற்ற முடியாது. Camel. You know that camels are the mammals with the long legs, a big lipped snout and humped back. Camels consist of stored fat which they can metabolize when food and water is scarce. The father of the species keeps the legs in its mouth until they are ready to catch and does not eat until then. So which may take several weeks. Catfish. So catfish so named this because of their whisker-like nostrils. You see that this is the catfish. So this is the catfish. Each side of the mouth and the chin. Most of the catfish possess the leading spines in their dorsal and pectoral fins. Catfish have large, flat head and elongated body. Entire body of catfish is covered with taste buds that can dictate chemicals in the water and respond to touch. So வாட்டர்லையும் கெமிக்கல்ஸ்லாம் இல்லை என்ன இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறதுக்கா தொட்டாலுமே என்ன கெமிக்கல்ஸ் நம்மளை தொடுது என்ன செய்யுது அப்படின்னு பார்க்கறதுக்காகவே இது பாடி ஃபுல்லாகவே இட் இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் திஸ் டேஸ்ட் பட்ஸ். ஸோ லாஸ்ட் ஒன், these mammals have special gland from which they secrete the greasy substance which is used to fixative for perfumes, sebum. They usually found in living in the forest, parks, mangroves and even roof places of buildings in urban areas. So they are nocturnal by nature and like to stay in trees and high places. So seabirds are found in the Africa, Southern Europe and Asia. Rather calf-like in appearance, they have thickly furred tail, small ears and the pointed snout. Last one it is, this is highly acrobatic creature which is used its tail as a fifth arm to pick up objects and swing through trees. Spider monkey. Spider monkeys resident in the Pavanasam and Kuttalam. Spider monkeys live in evergreen rainforests, semi-deserts and semi-deciduous forest and mangrove forest, lowland rainforest to mountain forest. In this forest they live mostly in the upper canopy, preferring undisturbed high forest, almost never coming to the ground. Spider monkeys prefer the wet forest rather than the dry forest. So first one it is shark, second one anaconda, camel, third one camel, fourth one catfish, fifth one civet, sixth one spider monkey.